Welcome to Irie-AT, Braille and Innovation. People ask, what's the meaning of Irie? Well, Irie means the latest in video magnification, like the new Cloverbook Pro and the Clover 6 from SightCare. Irie means Braille and tactile graphics, helping schools with the most difficult subjects, and Irie means the most affordable Braille embosser in the world. Irie means computer access and reading, with multiple scan and read devices and software for computer and mobile access. Irie means knowledgeable trainers working in the field and using virtual platforms to reach more people more quickly, with support technicians standing by to help. Most of all, Irie means happy. We focus on employee job satisfaction, and it shows in the friendly customer service we provide. Find out more at irie-at.com.